And so let's just take this opportunity right now together to exercise our faith as we move into a time of meditation. And so we breathe into this now moment, allowing the light, the love, the presence of Spirit to move through us. Choosing right here and right now to connect with that Spirit, with that presence of love and light. We affirm for ourselves that my faith lights my path and guides my way. My faith lights my path and guides my way. And so as we rest in that faith, we allow a particular need, a prayer request, a thought to come to our mind. And so for whatever doubts might be present with that thought, that prayer request, in this moment, right here, right now, we know the truth, the spiritual truth. That through our indwelling divinity, that indwelling divinity will lead us to accomplish all that we set out to achieve. We know that Spirit will fortify us with whatever strength is needed. And so as we allow that prayer request, that need, whatever it might be, to flow through our mind, we call forth our faith that in this instance, as in all instances, all will be well. And so we rest in this moment of stillness as we allow Spirit to work its faith through us, in us, and around us, as we rest in the silence. And ever so gently, we allow ourselves to be drawn back to this place, centered in Spirit. We affirm the wholeness of our community, knowing that this season of Advent reminds us all to be light for the world, to bring peace within and among nations, and to restore wholeness for all. And so it is with that as our intention, grounded firmly in faith, that we in gratitude move forward from this time, this moment, ready to be and express the allness of Spirit that we are. And so it is. Amen.